Welcome to Word Problems with Rates. So let's take a look at this question. Bob can type 135 words in 3 minutes. What's his unit rate? So when we're talking about unit rate, and if we have time, then time goes at the bottom. So unit rate is basically a fraction. So that would be 135 words divided by 3 minutes. You've probably heard of words per minute in terms of typing speed, so that gives you a really good hint. But okay, so if he types 135 words in 3 minutes, his unit rate would be the simplified version of this, but we don't want anything on the bottom. We just want 1 on the bottom. I'll show you what I mean. So if we divide the bottom by 3 and the top by 3, we have whatever 135 divided by 3 is. So now we'll put 135 into short division. That's 4, 1, 5, 5. It's 45. So it equals 45 over 1 words, 45 words divided by 1 minute. Okay, so let's take this over here. Oops, that's messy. Let's take this over here. 45 words divided by 1 minute is the same as writing 45 words per minute. Okay? Or you could also write 45 words per minute with a slash. Okay? So these are the 3 ways that you can write it. You can either say 45 words divided by 1 minute, you can say 45 words per minute, or you can write 45 words slash minute. Okay, so those are the 3 notations that you could use. Now let's take a look at this question. So Jitendra can run 120 meters in 12 seconds. So the unit rate would be 120 meters divided by 12 seconds. Now remember how I said time would be at the bottom? So you're going to put seconds at the bottom and meters at the top. Okay? So then, if you divide the top by 12 and the bottom by 12, you get 10 meters divided by 1 second. So his unit rate is 10 meters per second. Okay? Or 10 meters per second. Okay? Any of these work. So, now that we have the unit rate, we're going to find out how much time it takes him to run 250 meters. So, the unit rate is 10 meters divided by 1 second. And if we were to and we want to know the rate, the time, if there was if you went 250 meters and a certain number of seconds. So what we would do is we would multiply the top by 25 and the bottom by 25. So then we would get 250 meters over 25 seconds. So, as you can see, it takes him 25 seconds to run 250 meters. So, our answer here would be, it takes Jitendra 25 seconds to run 250 meters. And you box your answer. Okay. Also, up here, it would be a good idea to write a word answer too. You're going to write something like, his unit rate is 45 words per minute. Okay? Also, it's fine if you write for this, if you write 25 seconds, or here you write 250 meters. I just wrote them short because, just to save time. Okay. Jane is shopping for milk. A 4-liter jug of milk costs $3.99 and a 1-liter jug costs $1.09. Which jug of milk is the better buy? So if we're talking about which one is the better buy, we want to know how many liters we're getting for the amount of money. So, first of all, this one would be 4 liters per $3.99. Okay? Then this one would be 1 liter per $1.09. So we're going to want to simplify this. Divide the top by 3.99 and the bottom by 3.99 because we want the denominator to be 1. And so this would be, this is approximately, so this is how you write approximately, 1 liter per dollar, per $1. Okay? This one is also, this one is divided by 1.09 divided by 1.09, oops, 9. This one is also approximately 1 liter per $1. Okay? But, yes, there's a but. We need to know which one is the better buy. Okay? So we can't go approximately. Yes, we have to do the whole division here. So, 4 liters, you're going to go 4.00, you're going to divide it by 3.99 in a sort of long division. You get 1 here, 3.99, you're left with 1 cent, 0.0100, don't have this decimal here, 0.0100, and then we're just gonna try to get one more, 399, that's plus, this is 0.00399, so that is, so 3.99 multiplied by 0.001 is 0.00399. So then we're adding here 0.001. And we subtract this and we're left with 0.0601, and we're not going to go anymore. We have more than enough here. It's about 1.001. Now let's look at this one. So we have 1.00, and we're dividing it by 1.09. So then we're going to take our long division and see how many times does 1.09 fit into 1. And let's go with 0.9 first. 0.9 times. So then 1.09 multiplied by 9 is 189, but it's 0.9, so this is going to be 0.981. So it's minus 0.981. We're left with 0.019. Okay, you could do this whole division by yourself there. And then we'll do it one more time. How many times does this go into here? We'll say minus 0.0109, and let's see, 1.09 times 0.01 equals 0.0109. So then this is, we're adding plus 0.01, and then this equals 0.0081. You could do that by yourself there. And then we're left with 0.91. Okay? So for this rate over here, let's take a look at this. It's 0.91, right? 0.91 liters per dollar. And for this one over here, it's 1.001 liters per dollar. Okay? And so which one is the better buy? for each dollar, which one are you getting more liters? If you said this one, you're correct. And let's just take a look at over here. Okay, so oops, let me just fix that. So this one is the same. This is what we're looking at over here. Okay, so how we write this in words is the question is asking which milk jug is the better buy. So then you will write the 4-liter milk jug is the better buy. Okay, you box your answer and that's it. So that's word problems with rates.